Want to move entire rows or columns in Excel without breaking your data? In this quick tip, I'll show you how to drag and rearrange like a pro. We've got a simple employee table with names, departments, locations, and salaries. Let's say you want to move Michael to the top, or shift the salary column before the department. Here's how to do it safely and correctly. Click row 4 to select Michael's entire row. Hover over the edge until your cursor turns into a 4-sided arrow. Hold down the Shift key, then click and drag the row before the Olivia's row. Release the mouse. Excel shifts the data without overwriting anything. Holding Shift keeps your data safe and intact. Now let's drag an entire column. Click the column D to select the salary column. Hover over the edge until the 4-arrow cursor appears. Hold Shift, then drag it to the left. Place it right before column B. Excel moves the columns smoothly with no broken formulas. Was this helpful? Give it a like, subscribe to Easy Click Learning, and comment below, what Excel topic should I cover next? Thanks for watching.